So we want to be as visible as we can be if we're going to have the ATV, UTV on the roadway. That can start with a high-vis shirt, so I'm nice and I'm visible. Of course, we're required to have the headlights on and any tail lights that are working. To let the motoring public know behind us what we're doing, we're going to show you some easy hand signals that you'll be able to teach them what you're planning on doing. So if I'm driving the ATV and I'm planning on turning left, okay, to signal the traffic both behind me and in front of me, I'm simply going to put my arm out straight out that I'm turning left. If I'm going to turn right, I'm simply going to take my left arm and put it just like I'm holding my hand up. That's the sign that I'm going to be making a right-hand turn. And if I'm going to be stopping, I'm going to take my hand and put it straight down like this. So those are going to be the universal signals that's going to let traffic know what we're going to do. Now, before we make any of those turns, we of course want to make sure that the traffic behind us or in front of us saw us and that we've got the appropriate safe distance to make that turn.